Sierra Madre, one of the Philippines' most impressive geological features. Running through 10 provinces from Cagayan to Quezon, this mountain range spans an astounding 540 kilometers and stands at an estimated altitude of 1,915 meters.
This range is bordered by the Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, and Calabarzon to the west, leaving the Pacific Ocean to the east. Many believe that Sierra Madre acts as a typhoon barrier for Luzon.
In the northern part of the range is the Isabela province. Within it lies the Northern Sierra Madre Natural Park. It is the country's largest protected area and has more than 350,000 hectares of land. Environmentalists and scientists alike urge other parks to be integrated to this. That way, the whole range may be protected.
Sierra Madre make up 40% of the country's forest cover and is also one of our most biodiverse areas with roughly 1.4 million hectares. However, with how vast it is, illegal logging, timber poaching, and overmining are unavoidable, causing increased risk of landslides, soil erosions, and flooding in the low-lying areas of the range.
The continuous degradation of Sierra Madre, which acts as Luzon's backbone, left our northern island vulnerable to super typhoons and the disasters that come along with them. By stopping overmining and illegal acts alike, we can significantly reduce the risks of mudslides and flash floods that affect our communities. We must protect Sierra Madre so it may continue to protect us.